Sri Sai Tejaswi Academy. In a series of video for BE, CSE and IT students, we are seeing principles of management. So in that, today as a continuation, Unit 3 we are going to see. Unit 2 we have completed. We are moving towards Unit 3. So now, let us try and recall the components of management. So the whole subject revolves around these concepts. So this we have seen in the Unit 2. Now we are going to see this. What is that? Planning, organizing, staffing, directing, control. Planning already we have seen in the previous unit. So organizing, that we are going to deal with in this unit. So we are going to deal with in two parts. One will be organizing, next will be human resource management. How to conduct interviews, how to recruit people, how to train them, how to assess the performance. All these things we are going to try and learn. So now organizing. What is meant by organizing? So organizing is, in the previous unit you have done planning. So what you have done, you have set the objective, you know what for this organization you are setting up a company, what sort of work you are going to do, how you are going to do, everything has been planned in the previous unit. Now you are going to get things together for executing your business. So that is organizing. So bringing in people, taking people inside on board and training them, getting the resource, all these will be in organizing. So this is organizing in simple terms. So exact definition you can see the book and learn. So now let us see the process. Identification and division of work. Now I know my objective is from the previous unit. What is my objective? What is the vision, mission, everything we have framed. I clearly know my objectives. So to achieve the objectives, the whole project I have in front of me is my objective to achieve that. That objective, I divide the whole work that is before me into various chunks. For example, I want to start a manufacturing firm that manufactures, for example, automobile components. So now what I do, I divide the work of manufacturing the automobile components into various parts. Manufacturing shop, unit. I have an industry. So is just manufacturing enough? I need to buy raw material. I need purchase department. After purchasing, I need to account for it. I have to account for the salary I give. I have to account for the capital I have. I need accounts. So purchase is there. I need accounts. Accounts is there. After that, the raw material comes in. It has to go for the manufacture. Stock we have to maintain. That department will be there. Then they have to process the whole work. That manufacturing department will take care of that. Production department will take care of that. Then I have to package it. Packaging department will be there. All these I need staff. To manage the staff I will be having HR department. Then I have to train them. I will be having a training department. I have to develop innovative products. R&D will be there. So many, quality control very important. QC department will be there. So many processes involved when I say I want to start a manufacturing firm. So for that I have to identify and divide my work. Then as I told you, I already told you in the first point itself, departmentalization. So production department, accounts department, finance, marketing, R&D. So I do the departmentalization. This departmentalization can be done based on product, can be done based on customer also. On what all these can be done, I will be dealing in the next video. So linking of departments. So no department is an island. It has to work in tandem with each other. I have production department means that production department has to coordinate with accounts, has to coordinate with finance. They have to give data, they have to get data from each other. So that I have to link departments. That should be proper rapport between the departments to achieve the common objective. Assigning of duties. Okay, for these things I recruit people. I have to assign work. See, I have recruited a manager who takes care of purchase. So he is VP finance, manager finance, assistant manager, deputy, whatever it may be. So I take in people and assign various works. You take care of production, you take care of marketing, you take care of R&D, like that. Establish reporting protocols. So what is a protocol? Reporting protocol means I am working in a college. I have to report to my head of the department. I am a head of the department. I have to report to principal. That is protocol. Okay. So as students, you have to report to individual subject teachers. Subject teachers have to report to class teacher, class coordinators. So this is reporting protocol. Whatever they have done, at the end of the day, they have to they have to submit the reports to their higher authority. That is reporting protocol. Yes. Now, this is the process we have seen. Now let us see two things in this. Formal organization, informal organization. So, most of the organizations we come across is formal organization. Means there will be a boss, there will be a subordinate to him, subordinate to him. All the subordinates will report to the boss. There will be proper levels. It will be structured. One will report. And this activity will have a strict guideline. I have to do according to what he says. Like in military. Military is an example for formal organization. They have to execute what his boss tells. Captain or whatever he tells. Subedar, whoever. Subedar has to say to his major. So whatever major says. So there is CDS, Chief of Defense Staff. He is the ultimate authority whether they have to ensure war or not. He will act upon the behest of, on behalf of President of India. So this is formal organization. And in this, two things are there. It will be structured, there will be set of commands. You have to remember. Then informal organization. Informal organization means I work in a company. So, example, I work in a college. I travel to college by college bus. So, what happens in due course after my joining of 1 month or 2 months, I befriend staff who sits near me in the bus. He is from a very other department, ECE staff. He is my friend. So this has happened in real life to me. I have been friend with the ECE staff who travels with me in bus. So that relationship has helped me a lot in my career to perform my job better, to perform my duties better, to bring result to my department. I have learned so many things from him, what he does in this department. I have got inspired, I have imbibed what he has done, and I have performed better. So that is informal organization. See, there is no reporting here. I am not answerable to him. He will not order me anything. But we will discuss while going, while coming, what happened today, what you are going to do today, what you are going to teach, how you are going to teach, how you are going to handle students. He will teach everything to me. While going, we will discuss what has happened today in college, what are the problems we faced with the students, with staff, with so management, so many things. So these are the things which help employee to perform without having the pressure of reporting. So that is informal organization. See, now there is no binding between us. I need not report to him, he need not report to me. But we have a good communication. And if this informal organization is there, then it will be spread out, information will be spread out to all the levels. I can be friends in bus with the HOD. I can travel with the head of department of another, head of HOD of another department, and I can learn from him. So there is no level difference in this. So at all levels of management there will be communication. Human relationship. I have left the college so many years before, but still we are friends. Human relationship is important. So that is informal organization. Okay. So now let us move and discuss a very important topic, organizational structure. Before we move into the topic, think about what we have learned, and there are a couple of questions. Answer them and come. We will look into an important topic, organizational structure. Pass through.
Let us try and answer the questions. First question, what is organizing? So, I told you that starting itself, so you can try recall and answer that. So 2, why you need a step organizing in management? 3, can you think of a company which is a formal organization? So which company you can browse and get detail of the organization structure and also answer it. 4, in case you want to set up your business, will it be formal or informal organization? Which you would prefer and why? So answer the questions, and after you complete it, you can continue the video. Discuss the answers in the class with the teacher. Now continue.
Hope you have answered the questions. Now let us continue and learn about organizational structure. So organizational structure is, I told you about departmentalization, grouping of employees for a particular task. Whoever is involved in arranging of money, recording the transaction of money, he will be in accounts department. Whoever is involved in creation of product, he will be in production department. Manufacturing department, he will be building, so many laborers are there. So that they will be in production department. So I have told you about this grouping. In this, there are various types of grouping, how you do the grouping. So there are various levels, one below the other or one beside the other. So for this, that is called organization structure. So how the relationships, formal relationships is formed in our organization. For this we have various types of structures, organization structures. In that, functional structure, divisional structure, matrix structure, line and staff structure, project structure. I will tell you in brief and then I will go in detail. Functional structure means the company, the person is grouped according to the function what he does. As I told you, whoever is involved in maintaining accounts, they will be in accounts department. So based on what they do, if we put the structure, that is called functional structure. Divisional structure. See, there in a company there are various departments: marketing, finance, HR, production, R&D. And now I have various products. For many of soaps, I manufacture soaps. Hindustan Lever, it's a big company. So many products they manufacture. So soaps, I have a division. I manufacture plastic products also. That's a division for that again. I manufacture hair care products, different division. I manufacture cosmetic products, makeup products. That's a different division. But my company is same. So For that, then what will happen? I told you this functions, marketing, HR. There will be separate marketing, there will be separate finance, there will be separate production department for all separate divisions. For shampoo, there will be separate marketing people. For soap, there will be separate marketing people, finance, like that. So that is divisional structure. You will better understand when I explain. Matrix structure. So combination of function and division is matrix structure. Line and staff. Line and staff means, see, manufacturing, for example, or best example would be construction. There is a team inside which is doing the construction. Project manager is there, site staff is there. So with that, there will be also staff for supporting. So the staff will accounts department, finance will support, R&D will support the site people, main execution people. So main execution will be line, supporting will be staff, line and staff structure. Project structure. So this structure will be oriented towards various clusters of people working for a team for a project. So they will be associated with the project. They may be from various departments, but they will be associated with the project. That is project structure. So now let us see functional structure in detail. So functional structure, as I told you, what they do, grouping based on what they do. Simple. Grouping based on what they do. Functional structure. So a person who is responsible for sales, responsible for marketing, contacting the customers, getting the order, so that is marketing. Finance. For any company, money is important. They have to arrange finance, they have to manage cash flow, they have to give bills, process the bills, approve the bills, they have to make payment, they have to prepare budget. So many things is there. Finance. So production, actual manufacturing of the product. So many people are involved. HR, we have to recruit all these people. Is HR, recruiting people. So now you understand, based on what they do, I have grouped it. Marketing, finance, production, HR. This is functional structure. Divisional structure. See here. 1 minute. So this is R and D. Yeah. Now, divisional structure means there will be various divisions. I told you now. The whole thing comes here. You can see R&D, marketing, finance, production. Everything will come here. So this will be for this product. Or the same thing is repeated again and again. But this manufacturing is different from this manufacturing. This marketing is different from this marketing. So this finance is different from this finance. People are different. Function is same. But they work for that division. They work for this division. This division. So this division can be based on location also. For example, railways. There will be people working in various divisions. Southern Railway, Northern Railway, Eastern Railway, Western Railway. So many divisions will be there. But there also marketing will be there. There also finance will be there. There also production will be. Everything will be there. So that is divisional structure. We will continue with matrix structure and other structures. We have seen function and division structure. Let us see matrix structure. So this is combination of function and product. Function is marketing, finance is function. Function and product. So now this is formed in the form of a matrix. So hence the name matrix structure. Okay, we'll see now. There is a president. Below the president there is VP engineering, VP finance, VP production, VP marketing. These are functions, various functions under president of the company. VP engineering, VP finance, VP production, VP marketing. Okay. Now there are various products or various site of construction, various project teams are there. So for that, PM is project manager of a particular site for a particular product. So this PM for a particular product have to work under BP engineering, he has to work under finance, he has to work under production as well. So there will be a overlap of the functions. So he has to need the help of finance, he has to take report to mark production. So this will be a matrix structure. Okay. So this main thing is function and product, function, product, combination of function and product is matrix structure. Next one, line and staff structure. Line and staff structure means, as I told you, see what is the main function of the company, main business of the company, manufacturing company, construction company, what is the main thing? Advertisement, what it does. So that is line. So who are all responsible for the main work is line. This is line. I have indicated in blue. GM projects is that he is going to execute the he is going to be in charge of the project. Project manager is going to execute with the help of site engineer 1, 2, 3. Correct? So this will be the line. They are involved in construction. They have to be assisted by a supporting team. That supporting team is called staff, GM finance, and people under him will support for payment of bills, for presenting budget, so many things are there. So this is the line and staff structure. Now let us come to project structure. So project structure is nothing but similar to divisional structure. VP projects will A will be there, B will be there, C will be there, and what all we have seen under functional structure will come under project A, will come for project B, will come for project C. Finance, manufacture, quality control. Finance, manufacture, quality control. But they will be for a different project. I have a skill called Java. I will be for a particular project. And another person will also be skilled in Java, but he will be working for a different project. Project will be different, skill will be same. My designation will be same. My role will be same, but for a different project. I am working for this project, he is working for this project. Client will be different. To be more specific in terms of when you are going to work for a software company, this is the example you can easily understand. So you will be assigned a particular project. The person with same skill as you, okay, he knows Java, he will go for another project. So that is project structure. So these are the things I want to tell you in this class. So this with this we come to an end of this video. This is first of the video. I have 5 videos for this unit. So in this we have learned about organization structure. We have learned about formal, informal organization. What is organization? We have learned. Now try go through this video. There will be questions after this. Please answer the questions and please subscribe, like and share my video. And again and again I am telling the series of videos I am taking will be useful only when you view the video, when your friends whole class sees the video. Last video only 6 people have seen. No point in my making the video. So I put effort for you. You just have to see the video. That's all you have to see fully. So kindly subscribe to my channel if you have not done so till now. We will meet in the next video. We will deal about human resource management. Thank you.
Now let us try and answer these questions. So 1. What are the different types of organizational structure? So list out. 2. What is functional structure? 3. What is best suited organization structure for a software firm? 4. What are the advantages of divisional structure? So try and answer these questions and discuss in the class. If you have any doubts, please post in the comment section or you can discuss with your teacher. So the pause and ponder section is very important. Make use of it fully. It shows how much you have understood the video and the lesson. Okay, so thank you.